Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of your boy NIYI-DIY. Today we're doing the unboxing video of a package I received in the mail some time ago. Alright guys, before we get into the video, can you click the like button, leave a comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, this is your boy NIYI-DIY. Without much ado, let's get into the video. So I got my scissors, I'm ready to cut this and then reveal what's in the package. Just make a neat cut by the side and then rip it open. So right now, I ripped it open, and then we unveil and reveal what's in the wrap. Right, you can see, this is a phone holder, a phone mount. You mount on your rear view mirror in the car. If you drive in the US, if you drive a lot, you definitely will see that it's kind of hectic. At times, it gets so unduly uncomfortable if you have to be driving and then you have to be use your phone for GPS or something like that, or for those who do the ride share, that is, I'm talking about Lyft, Uber and all that, or Uber Eats, DoorDash and all that. You're trying to get the GPS location to you drive in real time, and then the phone or the app is giving the real time location to your destination. At times, if you have the phone, kind of comfortable place, you might not give the right concentration you need to give, to your driving. So essentially, if you want to drive, make sure you're just focused on driving, and then you have the phone, kept somewhere that's relatively secured, and then you don't have to worry about it. You definitely need something like this. You can see from the video, from the picture right here, you see the road, and then you see the device on it, and then it shows you, different angles you can swivel it to. You can put it horizontal, where it's going to align with the lower portion of the rear view mirror, or you incline it. You can also similarly put it straight vertically, depends on you. And then you can align the phone either in the portrait mode or in the landscape mode. All right, guys, let's get into the package and see what we got in there. So trying to get into the package, I quickly glanced, at the package, the body, the wrap, to see what they have on there. I see they got the description, which is a phone holder, and then they got a picture to show you how it's, going to hold the phone, how it's going to be held in place, and how it's going to hold the phone. And then it gives you some product parameters right here on the side. You see the product name, which is phone holder, and then you see things like the product size, which is 148 by 95 by 85 millimeters. And then you see the product weight of 200 grams. And you see the product material is ABS. And you see the product name, like I said, you see the product number is ZJ099. All right, guys, let's go into the package and see what we got. Essentially, this is a product that, once we do the unboxing here, you have to go to your vehicle, so you can get an actual description of how, the product is going to fit exactly into your vehicle. All right, so you got these individual components. They come in different parts. All you just have to do is just assemble them. You should be able to assemble it. If not, just basic, assembling. You definitely will know that this itself, this cover here, is going to go on this. Somehow you're going to, know that this will go to the back, somewhere. Just trying to figure it out. Look at that. You can see it's circular, and you see in there, it could fit. Just a click and it fits. So for you to lock it in place, you see the thread on there, it shows you that this has to be there. So we're going to have to pull it out and then put this right through it, and then we're going to lock it in and push it in. Once you hear that click, and then you just turn this nut, plastic nut, all over the thread that you got on there until it's fastened in place. Make sure that you get the right threading. You don't want to miss a thread. You do it the right way. Check it out. So you can see already it's taking shape. So if you look at it this way, it has a clamp to expand the hand or the claws so that you can put your phone, you slide your phone in through here, and then the phone sits in place. And then the next thing you're going to see is you're going to see this. This itself is the end that's going to be resting, being held in place by your rear view mirror. It's not going to in any way impede, the view that you get from your rear view mirror. It's just going to clamp right at the back of your rear view mirror, and it makes it easy, for you to kind of multitask. You could easily be watching your rear view mirror if you have to watch it. At the same time, you could be, watching your phone for the navigation, as you're going about to your destination, So right now I'm trying to take the screw at the back off, just to give a kind of a rundown or overview of how it's going to be like when it's all clamped in place. It's definitely a long screw. All right, it's hard now. And then if you pay close attention, you see it's got grooves at the back. This groove, like I showed you earlier, for the inclinations on the pack, for different angles, you're going to put it horizontal, inclined, to the side, portrait or landscape, that groove essentially is going to lock it in place. It's that groove that's going to make it easy for you, to have it in place. Just right now, you can see I don't have the screw on there, but I can practically not turn this. You see, you can see it's like gear teeth is grooved and it fits in place to the angle you want it to fit. Check it out. See, to the side right now, and you can adjust this landscape or portrait depending on how you want it. And then just to put the screw, let's put the screw at the back, and then we can show, so we can get more clear understanding of what we're talking about. Like I said earlier, it's a long screw, so it takes a minute for it to knot up. Now I put it not too tight, but firm enough, snug enough to hold it in place. You try to turn it, you can't move it, you can't wriggle it. Like I said, you can, put it to any angle you want. So you can, if you want to, change the inclination or the siding or how it's going to feel like, how the phone is going to be positioned. Maybe you want it to come more to your side on this side. If you're on the driver's side, you want to get, a clearer view. You could just glance at the phone to see the GPS or whatever information on there while still maintaining contact, on the road, without even having to turn your head so much. You just let this loose a bit. And then you just turn it. You see, it's turning itself right now. And you turn it to the angle that you want it to be. And then once you get the desired angle you want it to be, or where it's more comfortable for you as a driver, then you just tighten the bolt at the back. So now the bolt is tightened and this is held in place. And this can be turned as you want. It can also, be turned inwardly or outwardly. If you're driving, for example, most American vehicles, the driver is on the side, it's on the left hand, and once it's on that left hand, you're driving, you want the phone to point directly to you. This is your rear view mirror. You're looking at the mirror, but this is your phone. You have the phone in the holder, and then you can just have it turned to you so that you maintain eye contact with the road, with traffic, ongoing traffic, to ensure that you don't miss anything, while still taking glances at your phone and in any way to impede your driving. And you will have a pleasurable driving experience, especially knowing that you have everything at your disposal. All right, guys, without much ado, I want to appreciate you for staying this long. If you find this video interesting, kind of click the like button, leave a comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, this is your boy, NIYI-DIY. We're trying to grow this channel to go to 1 million subscribers and get 1 million views. I'm talking about minimum. So let's get there. 1 million views, 1 million subscribers. Right, guys, we're going to go into the vehicle and show you a demonstration of how it's going to be like. Hold on. Keep watching, guys. All right, guys. So in the vehicle right now, we're about to mount it up. You can see this side at the back. You just pull it, and then you'll be able to, pull it to push it in place and clamp it right behind this. Right at the back, you just clamp it. You can see it pushes up. You do the same thing on the other side, and then you'll be able to fit it right behind this rear view mirror. So now we're going to put it right there. Clamp it first to the lower portion, and then you push it up. So this side is already in. You do the same thing for the other side too. So I did the same thing for the other side, and you can see it's already in place. I just put this to cover up, the mirror. No big deal, but you can see how it's looking like. And I just adjusted it in such a way where it's vertical. So if you have a phone, you just put it in the holder like that, and then it's held in place. It'll be held in place firmly. And you can see if you're driving, it's steady. Once your mirror is steady, you don't have anything to worry about. You just keep driving and enjoying your ride. Just enjoy your ride, and you feel good about it. And then guys, from the pack I showed you earlier in the unboxing, you can see I loosened the back a bit, so we can just, slide it to the side as we want, and then you can tighten it all up. You see, it's steady. And then you can turn it either ways you want. Like I was saying, you're driving, you turn it outward towards you, the driver, and you get clear view of the road as you're driving. You turn it central, depending on you, but it's all inclined. And then at the back right there is a button right here. Once you press the button, you can extend this. You'll see. See? Just press it, and then you get the extension. See? It keeps extending. Check it out. Now it's extended, and this is almost in line with my steering wheel, so I could push it up some more, just a little bit, and then it's almost like in my line of view, as I'm driving. Check it out. So right now, this is my view for driving. If I got my phone on here, I got my clear view watching the road, not obstructing my view, for other parts of the road. I got my, rear view mirrors on this side, check it out, to ensure that I'm, centered properly and I'm safe, not causing harm or injury to oncoming vehicle, any driver that I'm on the road with, and they're not causing, harm or injury to me. So you can see the extension, press that knob at the back and you extend it. It's still extending. So you can extend till, as you want it. If you don't want to extend some more, you want to retract it, just press that same knob and then you keep pushing it back. And then we can put it back to where we want, or where we had it initially, and then drop it like that, or just leave it like this, and just tighten it at the back, and that groove to hold it in place. And then this plate, you center it in a way that's directly next to you. I got a phone here with me, you put your phone, you put it right in there. Just assume this is the back of my phone, I'll put it right there, and then you hold it in place. Ideally you put the front of your phone, but you understand what I'm saying? This is just makeshift, and you do it like that. You can do it landscape or portrait as you so desire, and then you get your navigation, step-by-step navigation as you're driving, and it's easier that way, and you don't cause, you enjoy everything. You enjoy the road, you enjoy the drive experience, and everything goes smoothly. You don't have to be holding it in your hand, feeling uncomfortable, trying to adjust a position. And this also, if you had a charging cable, you could extend your charger just from wherever it is right to the phone. And then you charge while you're driving, and then you got your phone right before you. If you got a call, it will show you on-screen display, it show you, and you're driving, you're not in any way impeding, it's not in any way impeding your driving or your drive experience. And then you can just answer the call, put it on speakerphone, or if you got Bluetooth connectivity, to the car, and then you just, pick it up and you're driving. You got your two hands on the wheels and your eyes focused on the road. All right, guys, without much ado, I really want to appreciate you for for staying this long to this video. Hope you enjoyed it. All right, guys, if you got any questions, you can leave in the comment section. I'll definitely go through it, and I'll get right back at you. I want to appreciate you guys, for taking our time. Like I normally say, 1 million views, 1 million subscribers. We're trying to build this channel up. If you have any questions, suggestions, ideas, feel free to give it. see you in the next one. Hopefully you learned 1 or 2 things about this. You can order this device off of eBay. I think Amazon has it too. You can order it. I'll put the price. I'll try to put the price. I can't remember right now. I don't think it's maybe within. It's less than $40. Within $40 to $20, or maybe even less than that. So you just put your mind. You can Google it. Phone stand. Rear view mirror anchor. This fits any vehicle as long as your vehicle got a rear view mirror. All vehicles got it, so it fits any vehicle. You definitely put it on every vehicle, whatever vehicle you're driving, and then you enjoy your ride. All right, guys, thanks for watching these videos. I want to appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had a nice time. All right, guys, kind of click the like button, leave a comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. This is your boy NIYI-DIY. Thanking you guys for watching another video. All right, guys, hope you have a nice day. And stay safe, stay out of trouble. Stay godly, stay prayed up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys, once again, and God bless. Bye for now. Peace. NIYI-DIY. Thank you, guys. Peace.